From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using a bulky remote control that's a pain to hold onto? Well, say goodbye to those frustrations with the RF.50.19.02 replacement remote control fits from RF, the ultimate solution for your adjustable bed base needs. This remote is incredibly lightweight and super comfy to hold, with a compact design that fits perfectly in your hand, giving you a sense of ease and comfort as you adjust your bed. The smooth edges and anti-slip surface provide a safe grip, reducing the chance of accidental drops, and the ergonomic design makes it a joy to use, with a feel that's both sleek and sturdy. With this remote, you get precise control over your bed base, with an optimal control distance of up to 26 feet, allowing you to adjust your bed from across the room, and the signal is strong and reliable, with no annoying lag or interruptions. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice, and for good reason. It's designed to work seamlessly with Oaken RF.50.19.02 split queen, Malof M555, and Structures M550 adjustable bed base, making it the perfect replacement remote for your bed. Whether you're watching TV, reading a book, or just relaxing, this remote makes it easy to find your perfect position, and with its excellent after-sales service, you can trust that you're in good hands, with any questions or concerns answered promptly and efficiently. So why settle for a bulky, uncomfortable remote when you can have a lightweight, comfy, and precise one? Make the switch to the RF.50.19.02 replacement remote control fits from RF and experience the difference for yourself, with a product that's designed to make your life easier, and your bedtime routine more enjoyable. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.